Hey guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We've got a brand new toy tool set. We just got it in 2 days ago. So we are going to open this up and talk about this amazing set. And this one is actually, to tell you guys the truth, the coolest set that we've got so far. I'm going to show you exactly why. So let's get this box cracked open. This has got to be one of the coolest. So let's move our things in the room. Alright guys, here we go. This is gonna be the coolest. So here is the drill. This is one of the biggest drills. It's so realistic, it looks like a real one, not even a toy to tell you the truth. And it's really super heavy. So we have our drill, we've gotta put our battery pack on. Here is the battery pack, just like a real one. And this one's called Power. And this drill, I have to show you. I'm gonna show you exactly why I think this has got to be one of the coolest sets. So that's the battery pack. This is what makes all of these work. So when you get a real drill, you go to the school and you pick up a real one, you got to put the battery pack on. So let's try to figure out. Let's get this on here. I already put batteries in this one, so it's already got the energy that it needs, so we're going to make it happen. We're going to get this on here. Let's put it down. Make sure, there we go. See that? This is huge. My hand is actually really big. And this is bigger. Look at this. Way bigger than our Black & Decker drill. So we have our drill now. Watch. This is the cool part. This came with 2 different drill adapters. These are adapters, they're called, right? And this one, I'm going to do, listen, guys, really quick, I'm going to do a 3-part video because I'm going to show you how this works in this video. And then I have so many other tools. This has like 40 different tools in there. It's one of the biggest sets that we've ever had, too. So this is the drill adapter, and this is the saw adapter, okay? Remember, look at this one. This was the one we had before, right? This stays on here. I can't change this. This doesn't come off. It's drill, right? Now, this one is just a saw. See that? But this one is the best because it does both, right? So let's put the saw on. This is the most fun. Let's put this one on. I'm super excited. Okay, so we got it going. See it rotating? See it going around? Alright, now it's a little tricky. This is so cool because this is exactly like a real one. Let's get that on there. Okay. Goes on. See that little notch right there? The little arrow? Okay. We have to slide. Oops. There it is. There it is. Okay. See that other little arrow right there? We got to match up those 2 arrows. So we put it here. That's where it connects, right? You see that? That's the first one. Now we have to turn it to lock it into place. That's where it has to meet. Alright, so at this point, it's locked in, ready to go. We have, look at this, by the way, this is so realistic. It has the little notch that makes it go either, you can either go forward or go backwards in reverse. See, none of our other drills, these other drills, they don't have that. That's why this is so realistic. One of the coolest toys out there. Alright, so then we're going to make it work. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Huge blade. Right? Isn't that the coolest? See, this is even bigger. It's bigger than this one. Look at this little tiny bit. Yeah, that was cool when we first saw it. But this one, holy moly! Look at the size of that. Coming right at you. It's like in 3D. Isn't that cool? And it's so neat. Is this is adjustable. We can take it off. All right, let's take it off, guys. We'll take this one off. Right now, this one here is made, it actually tightens up, which is so cool. It's really cool. This one is made for screwdrivers. So here's what we'll do. We're going to go to our next video. I'm going to do on the next video the screwdriver part. And then we're going to dive into the rest of these toys. Because look, it's all brand new, guys. I'm not kidding you. Look at this. We haven't even opened these yet. Look at all of these really cool, amazing tools, man. Look at them all. Brand new. We're going to get into opening these. So check it out on the next video, okay? We also have, let's see what else we got our safety goggles. We even have a tool belt. So check out on our next video. We got to watch all 3 of them. I'll do 3 of them so we can break down the bag and take a look at all these tools each individually. So check it out, all right, guys? And remember, if you're not subscribed, you've got to subscribe to our channel because we have all these amazing tools and so much more, guys.